Good day, everyone. I am Rosan Ligutan, and I would like to discuss my research topic with the title Should Corporate Social Responsibility Be Mandated or Discretionary? For my agenda, I will discuss the background, the source 1, source 2, my stance, and the references I used. Let us start with the definition of CSR. CSR is defined as the idea that businesses have a responsibility towards the society that exists around it. And at present time, CSR practices are only viewed as superficial due to the absence of a clear and widely acknowledged explanation of such responsibilities. According to an article written by Montiel Justo in 2019, advocates of discretionary CSR argue that they are more flexible and freer when it comes to modifying and integrating their own strategies to meet the customer's preference with less constraints and considerations. And since they are the one who monitor and implement their own CSR practices, they also argue that they were able to produce more with less regulatory expenses, resulting to improved financial performance. While voluntary CSR encourages freedom for firms while at the same time improves their financial performance, studies show that in the absence of a well-defined concept and extent of businesses' moral obligations, this can lead them to unfavorable situations such as regulatory issues. Why? Because without a clear structure, companies may suffer implementation difficulties due to vague interpretation resulting to improper execution. Now, this situation can burden them financially as they have to repair the reputation that has been damaged and also the penalties that the government might have sanctioned them. My stance on this research topic: CSR should be mandated. Why? Legislating corporate moral obligations will be more beneficial as it will set a clear definition of what is due to the society, and most especially it will protect the rights of its stakeholders. That's it for my presentation. I appreciate your time. Feel free to check my references if you are interested in my topic. Thank you.